There is a moment that changes everything. For some of my clients, it came with a doctor's visit. For others, an accident. Nobody sees it coming, nobody thinks it will happen to them, but when it does, everything changes. I'm Vlad Shafir, a financial advisor with Forest Hills Financial Group in New York City, and I've been hesitant to make videos. In fact, this is my very first time on camera, and it's way outside of my comfort zone. But after witnessing these life-changing moments year after year, some messages are too important to keep to myself. I made it my mission to help families prepare for what they can't predict. Today, I'm finally hitting the record button to share the most crucial conversations we need to have about protecting everything you've built and everyone you love, because this conversation can't wait until tomorrow. Let me share something I notice every day in my practice. When someone sits down in my office, they're excited to talk about their financial goals. They proudly tell me about their 401k contributions. They enthusiastically share their savings plans. But when I ask one simple question, what happens if you can't earn an income tomorrow? That confident person suddenly becomes uncomfortable. And at that moment, everything changes. Because that's when people realize their entire financial house is built on a foundation they've never thought to protect. Something I've noticed sitting across from hundreds of families over the years. First, we all share this very human belief that we are somehow immune, that life's hardest challenges will happen to someone else, but not to us. I used to think that way too. Second, that workplace coverage we all count on. Most employer plans cover 2/3 of your base income. And here what really catches people off guard. After taxes, you're looking at closer to half of your normal income. Take a moment and think about that. Imagine having a period of not being able to work. Your mortgage wouldn't change, your children's need wouldn't change, your bills certainly wouldn't change. Your healthcare cost might actually increase, but your ability to meet those responsibilities would change overnight. And third, many people just put it off because they just don't know where to start. I understand why so many of us put it off, because it feels overwhelming. Where do you even begin with something this important? Your income isn't just a number in your bank account, but everything it provides: your home, your daily expenses, your family's lifestyle, your future plans. Every paycheck maintains the life you built and the goals you're working toward. If you're 32 and earning $100,000 a year, you're not just earning a salary, you're building something extraordinary, close to $6.9 million in future earnings before retirement. That's not just a number, that's your entire financial future. And unlike your home, your investments, this crucial asset, your ability to earn, can be replaced if something happens. That's exactly why I couldn't stay silent anymore. This conversation is too important to put off, which is why I'm starting this series. In the videos ahead, I'm going to share everything I wish somebody told me years ago about income protection. We'll explore your options from workplace benefits to individual coverage to Social Security benefits. Think of this as your roadmap to understanding what you have, what you need, how to protect your income in a way that fits your life. No complex terminology, just practical steps you can take to secure your future. Before I go, I want to share something from my heart. Every family story is unique, and every concern you have about protecting your loved ones matters deeply. I've sat with countless families, heard their hopes and fears, and helped them find peace of mind. That's what I want to do for you and your family too. Whether you're just beginning to think about income protection or you've been worrying about it for a while, I'm here to help you navigate this path, just as I've done for many others who are now sleeping better at night. I'd love to hear your story. Share any questions you have in the comments below. Don't worry about my tech skills. I may be new to video, but I promise I know how to read and respond to every single comment. And if you prefer a private conversation, reach out to me directly at vlad.shafir@fhrg.com or call me at 631-557-5335. If today's message resonated with you, if it made you pause and think about your family's future, share it with someone you care about through Facebook, LinkedIn, or any platform you use, because sometimes the most important decisions in life start with a simple conversation shared by someone who cares. I'm already working on our next video where we'll explore something equally important: your employer coverage. After years of reviewing policies with families, I've learned there are more to these stories than most people realize. It's a conversation that could make all the difference for you and your loved ones. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.